Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we are going to see about the multi-objective task scheduling in cloud environment using decision tree. Now we are going to see about the flow diagram of our project. The task scheduling is splitting workloads with the user to give solution for size-based result. For example, local shortest queue. First, we are creating randomly for data center creation and broker creation. Then, virtual machine is like a CPU, a central processing unit. File uploading, user upload our file after allocating the job, load balancing, controlling traffic and time delay of the process. Virtual machine allocating the job in load based technique. Load balancing is the based on user file allocation based on the size. If the file size is greater than VM load size, the load will create by user. After that, file will allocate. Uploading file, user can choose how many files to access. After that, we are giving the input load and execute the after process. Load balancing calculation, it is the most commonly used load balancing algorithm like LSQ load balancing. For example, if we have three application servers, the first client request is sent to the first application server in the list, the second client request to the second application server, and the third client request to the third application server, fourth to the fourth application server, and so on. Load balancing is most appropriate for client request streams that are being spread across a server. It is relatively equal processing capabilities and available resources such as bandwidth and storage and RAM. The task allocation is the process that results in specific workers being engaged in specific tasks in number of appropriate to the current situation. It operates without any central or the concept of task allocation is individual centric. Next, we are going to see about the project output. This is our home page, the multi-object scheduling using decision tree algorithm. Uh, Now click the go to page button. Now we are going to create a data center and broker for virtual machine. Now enter the number of data center. Give the one data center. The data center was created and the broker creation. Enter the number of broker center for data center. Then broker was created. Click the virtual machine creation. Now we are going to create a virtual machine for uploading our jobs. I give the one virtual machine. The virtual machine created successfully and the broker was allocate this virtual machine. Next, we are going to upload our files. After virtual machine creation, enter the number of jobs. The two jobs going to allocate in for this virtual machine. That job 2 was created. Then the job was created respective brokers. Now we are going to upload our files. We choose two files. We have to upload the two files. One is selected successfully and another one is we are choosing the second file is also successfully completed. Now these files are going to schedule the load files. Load the files order by file size ascending order. Then they enter the deadline in minutes. Then give the request to task manager for scheduling these tasks. Next, task manager receives the task based on file size, then upload it to virtual machine. The virtual machine is 0 and the load is 5211, and the job will allocate. Our file size is greater than our virtual machine load, so we are going to give the virtual machine load, and this also. Now the virtual machine 0 is allocated these two files.